Some stories are measured in years, others in miles, but this one begins with a promise buried under layers of neglect. It's the story of a forgotten Mercedes-Benz, a titan of German engineering left to the mercy of time. We found it not in a showroom, but in a dusty corner of oblivion, a shadow of its former self, waiting for a second chance. Its journey back to glory starts now. This is not just a restoration, it is a resurrection. The initial inspection reveals a narrative of decay. Our master mechanic circles the vehicle, his hands tracing the lines of rust that have eaten into the once proud body panels. Each touch tells a story of abandonment. With a reluctant groan, the hood is pried open, revealing an engine bay that has become a tomb for forgotten power. The air is thick with the scent of oil and decay, a prelude to the immense challenge that lies ahead. The car is a wounded beast, but its spirit, we believe, remains intact. A closer look exposes the true extent of the damage. The camera lingers on the heart of the machine, where corrosion has seized vital components. Wires are frayed, hoses are brittle, and a film of grime coats every surface. Inside, the story is just as grim. The seats, once a statement of luxury, are now torn and frayed, their stuffing exposed like open wounds. The dashboard, cracked and faded by relentless sun, is a mosaic of failure. As light streams through the grimy windows, dust motes dance in the air, silent witnesses to years of stillness. Then, the cleansing begins. A powerful jet of high-pressure water slices through the accumulated filth, washing away years of dirt and neglect in a torrent of brown streams. Next comes the foam, a thick white blanket that envelops the entire vehicle. Slow-motion shots capture the delicate dance of water droplets splashing against the surface, a baptism that signals the start of a new life. It's a moment of purification, washing away the past to make way for the future. With the car stripped bare, we confront the cancer of rust. The high-pitched scream of a grinder fills the workshop as sparks fly in a dramatic, fiery display. Our technicians methodically sand and grind away every trace of corrosion, their focus absolute. Macro shots reveal the stunning transformation at a microscopic level, as the pitted orange-brown rust gives way to the smooth silver sheen of pristine metal. Each panel is painstakingly brought back to life, a testament to the precision and dedication required for a true restoration. Now the car's form is reborn. The artisans of the body shop work with a sculptor's touch, hammering out dense and meticulously welding fractured metal. Broken parts are reinforced and warped panels are reshaped until their original elegant curves are restored. Seamless transitions show the before and after, a crumpled fender becoming a flawless surface, a dented door returning to its perfect alignment. The car's skeleton is being healed, its structural integrity renewed piece by piece. The transformation culminates in the paint booth, a sterile sanctuary where the final identity will be forged. The car, now a blank canvas of primed metal, is ready for its new skin. A robotic arm glides gracefully, applying a deep, luxurious black paint. Slow motion captures the mist of the spray settling onto the body, creating a flawless, mirror-like finish. The glossy reflections that begin to appear on the panels signal the return of its former prestige. This is no longer just a car, it's a piece of rolling art. While the exterior was being perfected, the heart of the beast was undergoing its own rebirth. The engine is completely disassembled, each component laid out with surgical precision. Worn pistons, cracked gaskets, and rusted bolts are discarded and replaced with gleaming new parts. The camera follows the intricate process of reassembly, as our engine specialist meticulously rebuilds the powerhouse, ensuring every piece functions in perfect harmony. This engine is not just being repaired, it's being reborn stronger than ever. The revival extends to the interior, where old-world luxury meets modern technology. The tattered, worn-out cabin is completely stripped. In its place, a bespoke interior is installed. Supple, premium leather is stretched over the seats, and a new, modern dashboard with integrated digital displays replaces the cracked original. Subtle ambient lighting is woven into the design, casting a warm, inviting glow. The cockpit is transformed into a sanctuary of comfort and sophistication, blending classic design with contemporary function. The moment of truth arrives. With the car fully assembled, a tense silence hangs in the workshop. The key is turned. A suspenseful whirring builds, followed by a cough, and then a thunderous roar as the rebuilt engine explodes to life. A plume of white smoke billows from the exhaust, and a deep, satisfying vibration runs through the car's frame. It's the sound of victory, the first breath of a resurrected legend, and a promise of the power that has been unleashed once more. Our journey ends where a new one begins, on the open road. As the golden hour bathes the landscape in a warm, ethereal light, the restored Mercedes-Benz glides effortlessly along a winding coastal highway. Cinematic drone shots capture its flawless black paint gleaming in the setting sun, a dark jewel against the vibrant scenery. It's a machine reborn, a testament to the passion and craftsmanship that turned a forgotten relic into a timeless masterpiece. This car is no longer a memory. It is a living, breathing legend, ready to write the next chapter of its story.